Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to share with you guys how I braid my hair. So I'm going to use this Brazilian wool 1 pack, and as well as cut it, trim it to the sizes. Like the shorter side is for the back, while the longest one is for the front and also the middle of my hair. Okay, I'm gonna start ahead now to cut, like to part my hair in the shape that I really want. Okay, so this is not like the full tutorial, but this is basically almost half of the tutorial, like half of how I make my hair. It's basically like for me to share with you guys how I braid my hair, how I make my hair. Okay, but actually this is not braiding, this is not box braid, this is actually a kind of cornrow. Okay, so I'm gonna take it 4 pieces, which is 2 making it 4, and I'll start from the back. And this is actually how I braid the back. Okay, because for the back I start with braiding, and as I start with braiding at the back, it was easy for me to get in the position, like the type of style I really want, because the style I'm going for is basically you need to start from the back to braid the back, even if it's one step. Okay, then you braid it before starting with the next tutorial. So this is basically how I braid my hair, like how I do my hair. All right, so enjoy yourself and keep watching. So at this very moment I got tired from the back, then I have to switch to the front, which is to make things faster. All right, so because looking at the front, looking at the back, and things are still many, it kind of making me to be afraid. So I have to start from the front to start braiding it, and that is all I did. But I didn't go ahead to show you guys how I finished the look, so I have to pause the camera to concentrate as well. Sometimes when you are braiding and you are doing the video, it's kind of taking a whole lot of time, but when you are doing that without recording, it will be faster and easier for you to do. This is how I make my hair by myself. I finished the braiding, but I didn't go for longer size, I go for a shorter shoulder length size. All right, so that is all. This is to inspire people out there that you can do it by yourself, you can braid your hair. Okay, it may not be perfect from the start, but as time goes on you will be perfect. So this is actually very simple to do and very simple to work with. When it comes to my own hair, I am still learning, I'm not yet perfect. Okay, it's just small. Very soon I'll still arrive as a professional hair maker myself. A few hours later, so I went off camera to finish up the look, and here we are. This is the final look. This is how my hair is currently looking like. Okay, so if you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and also subscribe in the subscribe button. Of course, I'll surely see you all in my next video. Remain blessed and have a wonderful day. Bye guys.